Hello family, welcome to my channel Island Boy Comoros, where I share content about tropical village life in Comoros, 4 islands in the Indian Ocean in the Mozambique Channel between Madagascar and Africa. Kindly, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, my friends. Please smash that red subscription button in order to support the channel and help us to put Comoros in the map. So today family, we are going to show you how to cook green banana peels. Many people don't know that the green banana skins are edible. So today with my sisters, we are going to show you how to cook that green banana skins. It is very recommended to eat green banana skins because they are rich in iron. Stay until the end to discover the different steps. The first step, you need to cut them into small pieces. Make sure you cut them into small pieces so that they can easily be cooked. You take the small pieces and you put them into salt water. Wait until the second day. Put some water and wash them very well. Cook the green banana skins, you need to use coconut. There are different ways to cook that, but I like to cook them with the coconuts. This is how we take out the skin of the coconut. You can use this, you can use a piece of wood, sharpen a piece of wood. Here is where you can find the coconut. It's a coconut tree. In my sister's backyard, we have 2 coconut trees. We have that one over there, and we have this one. So it's very easy for us to find coconuts. You can just climb this coconut tree and take the coconuts to cook whatever thing you want to cook with. Yeah, we are in my sister's backyard. Our green banana skins are boiled. We take them out of the fire. We take out the water and we wait to go to the next step. As they are boiled already, you take them out, take out the water, and you put it in another place. C'est bon. As we have put the coconut milk, we have reserved some coconut milk that we call the kondohondo. We'll add this, in the middle of our preparation. And now we are going to add salt. Make sure you don't put a lot of salt because it won't be edible. Yeah, so family, this is our sauce. Look at it. It's very beautiful. We are going to test it. We are going to try it and see if it's delicious. Here it is. Look at it. It's very delicious. Oh my goodness. So you will eat this with we eat this with rice. You're not gonna cook rice at night and enjoy with the family. Thank you for watching the video until the end. Please consider subscribing to not miss any of our videos. Thank you and goodbye.